Hi, this is Manish. Today I'm going to create a rank transformation in Informatica. So before creating rank transformation, I'm creating employee underscore rank table in the target schema. So I have created a batch 11, a new user for the target schema and employee underscore rank table in that schema. So this is the structure of employee underscore rank table. Now click on Informatica Designer. First, you have to import source from the database, and that source is present in the source schema. In this case, our source schema is Scott. So this is the source analyzer tab. Click on that. Go to sources, import from database, give username and password. And import your source table. So in this case, employee is a source table. So I have already created the employee source table here. Now for the target and target schema, go to target designer, click on targets, import from database, give your credentials, connect, and import your target table into Informatica. Rank. First you have to create control, created, go there, reconnect. So this is your rank table. Click OK. So go to target, import from database, connect, batch 11, tables, rank. Okay. Now control S. So you will get message like target employee underscore rank inserted. So in Informatica we are pulling only we are creating only metadata, not the data, only the structure of data, like this only. If you go to employee under rank, describe, this is the metadata structure, like employee number is number, ename is varchar. So this is the metadata only. Now click on mapping designer, go to mapping, create m underscore rank underscore transformation. Pull, drag and drop your employee table into mapping designer. Click on rank transformation. You can create a rank transformation using this transformation tab menu. Create and give whatever. Select your transformation. Give whatever name you want to. And otherwise you can do like, you can click this, click here. Now select all columns from source qualifier to rank transformation and double click on rank transformation, click on ports. So by default employee number we have given rank on employee number by default. It will come automatically by default. Now what I have to do, I want to give rank on salary. So this is your rank port, this is input, this is output port, this is variable port. Now this is rank. Click on salary. So click on a salary rank. Okay. Now click on properties tab. Here you will get option like top and bottom. So you want to fetch top 5 records or bottom 5 records. By giving this condition, you can do number of ranks. So number of ranks means top 1, top 5, top 4. So I am giving 5 here. Apply. OK. Now drag and drop your target table. This is your target table. Accept rank index. Drag and drop each and every column to the target table. So this is your transformation mapping. This is your mapping. Now Control S. Okay. So after that you have to create workflow. Now go to select your mapping. This is the mapping we have created, and click OK. Double click on session. Click on sources and SQ_EMP table. Here we have given one relational connection. So for source we have created Scott as a relational connection. Relational connection and ODBC connection both are different. Relational connection is used to use for the movement of data, and that ODBC connection actually to import metadata from the to import metadata in the Informatica from the database. So this is the relational connection we have created, Scott and batch 11 in the target. Apply. OK. Save. So your workflow is valid. Now run your workflow. So this is succeeded. You will get that message, succeeded. Check your target table. So you are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 records. So question is like Informatica use what type of rank? So answer is dense rank. If you see, we have given top 5 and we are doing rank on salary column. So this is your first column, 5,000. This is your second, again 3,000. So it will be 2 again. Now this will be 4 and this will be 5. See, this is the example, like rank equal to 5, okay, on salary. So this is considered as 1, this is as 2, this is as 2, and this is as 4. and this is 5. In the normal rank, this is 1, this is 2, now this is also 2, but this will be 3 and 4. But in the dense rank, this is the best example. So thanks.